Hello, how you doing? And welcome to How to Cook Great. If you like what you're seeing, please do subscribe and also leave us a comment. Okay, let's get moving. Okay, so nothing to this salad, it's really delicious. So in a pan, I've got a little bit of oil. You can use any oil you want. And I've got one large chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut it into these kind of thin strips. We're on an above medium heat. We're going to be throwing this around for about 6 minutes in total. We're going to be adding some spices to it. Let's start off by adding some salt and some black pepper. And we're going for about a teaspoon of everything you're about to see. So we're adding garlic powder, ginger powder, and onion powder. If you wanted, you could be using fresh ginger and fresh garlic. I think the powder works just as well. Okay, we're going to go for a teaspoon of turmeric, which will give it a nice color. We're then going to add some allspice or pimento. We're going to add some thyme, and we're going to add some smoked paprika. Again, around a teaspoon each for this amount of chicken. The smoked paprika gives it a really lovely flavor, of course. The allspice or the pimento, really kind of essential kind of West Indian spice that is, and it's delicious. So we've got that wonderful colour on the chicken now and some beautiful spices. I'm now going to add in some hot pepper sauce. Now the amount of this is entirely up to you, and the brand again is up to you. I'm using Encona, which is a Jamaican hot pepper made with Scotch bonnet, but yeah, be careful with it. It's quite spicy, this one, so but yeah, use whichever one you want, get it in, and then all we've got to do is just whiz that around for a couple more minutes and our chicken is done. So let it cool down just a little bit. It doesn't have to be completely cold, but just let it cool down a bit. Okay, I've got 3 cups of pasta here. I'm using penne. I've cooked that. You can use any pasta that you want, you know, it's up to you. And then drop in the chicken mix. And then we're going to add some vegetables. I've got a little bit of white onion here. I've got a little bit of green onion or spring onions or scallions and celery. And then I'm also going to be adding in some bell peppers and some cucumber. But you could be adding any vegetables you want in here. Get some sweet corn in there, tomatoes. It's entirely up to you. I've got 1 can here, or about 1 cup of red kidney beans. If you're going to use the kidney beans from a can, give them a nice wash in some water. And then some mayo. I'm going for about 4 heaped tablespoons of mayonnaise. Again, you can eyeball that. That's it. All you've got to do now is give it a nice little mix, and you've got yourself a lovely spicy chicken pasta salad with a kind of Caribbean West Indian twist. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.